Okay, hi students. So now today we'll discuss. So already yesterday we discussed the acidic strength of carboxylic acids. I will give one more example. Acidic strength of carboxylic acids. Nitrobenzoic acid. This is para-nitrobenzoic acid, and this is orthonitrobenzoic acid, and this is benzoic acid. So this is meta-nitrobenzoic acid and benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid. So in this case, the acidic strength order, if you see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, how you will compare the acidic strength? So first, just you remove the hydrogen, and keep H plus minus H plus. Then what happened here? COO minus and NO2, and here also if hydrogen is removed, okay, hydrogen is removed, COO minus and NO2, and hydrogen removed, minus H plus, so COO minus and NO2, sorry, here meta position nitro group, and with this also remove H plus. If it remove H plus, then minus H plus, then we get COO minus. Okay, so these are conjugate. Okay, now these are conjugate bases. After if these compounds donate H plus, these are formed. So in these cases, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, in these cases, this NO2 group electron withdrawing group with creates a positive charge, which NO2 is a minus Me electron withdrawing group. It should be really removes electron density exclusively at ortho position and para position with respect to NO2 group. So this NO2 group create positive charge ortho and para position, and this NO2 group create positive charge ortho position and also para position. This NO2 group creates positive charge at ortho position and also at para position. Okay, and there is no groups in this case. Right? So if you see the stability of these pieces, stability order, if you see, so positive negative are adjacent position, that is more stable. Positive negative adjacent position, that is more stable. Okay na? So the first and second cases positive negative are close. If two opposite charges are close, that is more stable. Okay. So in the case of first and second, more. Okay. So here due to repulsion, they are less stable. So first is more stable. Okay na? And also and second. Okay, then after third and fourth. Okay, then acidic strength order, okay na, we are expecting we are expecting one is more than 2, then after 3, then after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But actually, but actually 2 is more than 1, then after 3, then after 4. Why 2 is more? Because of ortho effect. Okay na, ortho substitute benzoic acid more. Okay na, due to ortho effect. Okay na, due to ortho effect. Okay, so this is the comparison of acidic strength. Okay na. So if conjugate of base is more stable, the parent acid is more acidic. Conjugate base more stable అయితే parent acidic more stable అవుతుంది. If it is more stable, it is more acidic. If it is less stable, it is less acidic అవుతుంది. So stability order is this 1 2 3 4. Okay na order. Because positive negative adjacent position unte more stable, but due to steric repulsion it is less stable too. Okay na. Then the respective acidic strength order we are expecting this. But actual order is this, because due to ortho effect, ortho substituted benzoic acids are more acidic, right? Okay, right. Preparations of carboxylic acids, preparation methods, right? So number one, from primary alcohols, from 1 degree alcohols, primary alcohols. Okay, from primary alcohols. So primary alcohols upon oxidation, oxidizing agents. So oxidants, so generally we can use, that is KMnO4 in acidic medium, or potassium dichromate in acidic medium, or chromium trioxide in acidic medium, sulfuric acid. Okay, so any one of these reagents if you use, then directly the primary alcohol gives oxidation and gives carboxylic acids. Okay, so this is the primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol, 1 degree alcohol upon oxidation by using any one of the reagents. So KMnO4 in acidic medium. So directly if initially it gives aldehyde. Initially it gives aldehyde, then further oxidation it gives acid, and further oxidation it gives KMnO4 in the presence of H plus, it gives carboxylic acid. Okay, so primary alcohols by using any one of these reagents initially gives aldehydes, then further gives carboxylic acids. So here the final products you consider, that is the carboxylic acid. So example I am taking, that is, so this is benzyl alcohol, primary alcohol, this is primary alcohol. So react with KMnO4 in acidic medium. In acidic medium, it directly I am considering benzoic acid, right? And if you take ethanol, in the presence of strong oxidant, okay, CrO3 in H2SO4, that is directly gives acetic acid. Ethanol gives acetic acid. So this is the oxidation from primary alcohols. And also aldehydes also gives acids. Okay, so you can take from aldehydes mean from aldehydes. So aldehydes also upon oxidation by using any one of the reagent. So oxidation by using any one of the reagent, KMnO4 in acidic medium also they give carboxylic acids. Okay, if you take acetaldehyde by using any one of the reagent, then we'll get acetic acid. If you take formaldehyde తీసుకుంటే formic acid is the product. Formaldehyde gives formic acid, right? So this is the method. And next second one, from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. Okay, so the Grignard reagent when react with carbon dioxide followed by hydrolysis. Grignard reagent అంటే RMgX. ఇక్కడ R minus MgX plus ఉంటుంది. When it react with CO2, okay, followed by hydrolysis, the final product I am writing, okay, carboxylic acid, okay, this is the major product. Okay, so if you see the mechanism, if you see RMgX, CO2 ante C double bond O, here R minus will be attacked here, it will be moves like this. Okay, so next to R CO minus double bond O MgX. Next to hydrolysis, upon hydrolysis it will be gives RCOH double bond O MgXOH. Okay, so by using Grignard reagent also carboxylic acids will be prepared. The carbon of CO2 forms COOH function. In exam point of view, they will give like this question. So in exam point of question, that is this is a ethyl chloride when react with magnesium metal with dry ether, RO or dry ether this is here it gives, so magnesium will be insert CH3MgCl వస్తుంది. This is RMgX, Grignard reagent, Grignard reagent తయారైంది. మైనస్, this is plus, దీనికి CO2 వేస్తారు. Okay, then we will get CH3 CH2 COO minus, okay, COO minus and Mg plus, that is CH3 CH2 COO MgCl minus plus. This is upon hydrolysis, final product to CH3 CH2 COOH plus MgClOH ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్, ఎగ్జామ్ దే విల్ గివ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకేనా, ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, they will give like this. So alkyl halide when react with magnesium, it gives magnesium RMgX preparation. This step is RMgX preparation. RMgX when react with this CO2 followed by hydrolysis with water gives carboxylic acid, propanoic acid వస్తుంది, propanoic acid, right? Okay, right.